driver's meeting is taking place right now. So since it's Thunder Mountain, and I have a side-by-side from Timberwolf Firewood Processing, we're going to take a lap. So here's what it looks like, guys. I may take the green in a heat. I haven't decided yet. But it's possible. It is possible. And it's not even, it's barely 5:30 and there's already a lot of people here.
Cheer for us?
They could cheer for us.
Don't be sliding.
I know. Well, you got to go at least so fast where the banking will start the back end slide. So. Yeah, Camille's nervous. Means I'm doing a good job. So we'll be getting a little bit of video from the heat races in the infield. And running the Billy Decker line here in case you guys are running away on the out. I tried that once in my 4-cylinder. It worked in the heat, but then wrecked it in the feature because I'm not Billy Decker. So, in case you guys didn't know that. And this is the pit entrance. So for a lot of guys who've never been here, you gotta whoa it up because look, there's a guardrail right there. So for the guys who've never been here, who come in here, last year a couple guys tested that guardrail. Let me see, who were they teasing about it? Oh, it was Justin Stone, that's right. He almost hit the concession stand. So they were saying today that he was trying to get a hot dog. Here, let's mess up Rich Vleck. What, you're done already?
We were going to try to mess you up, but, you know.
Yeah, I was going to try to mess you up. It didn't work, huh? All right.
It doesn't take much.
Okay, all right.
We just took a lap with this thing.
Yeah, that's nice.
Good way to get around Thunder Mountain.
I know.
I might take the green in the heat. I haven't decided yet, so we'll see.
Factory stocks, you could probably qualify. So.
That's right. All right, I'm in. I got to borrow a suit. All right. I'll see you later, Rich. Thanks.
Don't use it to see, guys.
Good seeing you, Rich.